Guys, welcome back to another backtesting video. Today, I did not trade today, so that means that we are going to be backtesting, but also forward testing, okay? Because we're going to be trading. We're going to be trading today's market, the 15th. As you can see, we got 1/15/2026, but I have not traded today. And so we're going to do market replay on Tradeovate because it does it by like the tick. It does it by the tick. It doesn't do it by you can do it real time. So what that means is that we're going to be back testing today, but also forward testing because I didn't trade today. So we're just playing it. We're doing today's thing, but I did not trade today. Okay, why? So here we go. As soon as we can figure out why this is being weird. All right. We need the volume profile. It should be on there. Maybe it only works in the 1 minute. Okay, I guess we're not going to try the volume profile then. We can go ahead and start it. Actually, let's not start it. Let's do an analysis of the market. Let's see if we can get an indicator on here to show us. Actually, we can just draw out the midnight open. What am I saying? Midnight open would be at midnight. Boom, right there. So it's like right there. And we can make this orange for midnight open. Save. And let's get the music playing. And now we can do the 5 minute. Oh, it appeared now. It's down, so it's a little loud for me. All right. Big old market gap right here. And right here. Let's scale up time frames. 5 minute, 15 minute, I mean. Oh, we need to update. I need to update this as well because this is not accurate. Alright. And we're gonna go to the 4 hour. Alright, these highs are looking pretty juicy. Also, do we have an SMT? Let's go to ES. Use previous settings. Okay, we got high low, and then we go back to here, and it's high low. Okay. No SMT right there. Wait, that wouldn't even matter. Why am I marking that out? Hold up. Why was I marking out the SMT? There was no SMT. And it was on the 13th. That doesn't matter. This seems like a really strong area though, and we'll see what happens. I did see one trade today. very short, but I did see a short. Did see a short happen. We're also going to mark this highest 5-minute gap, which is right there. Go ahead and start the replay. I think I have a thing where I can see session London High. Oh wait, I have to go to here and do session. Crap. And then to go to session. Super sessions. Then now I should be able to do here. Alright. Now I can do London low, Asia high, Asia low. We're already at London highs right now, so this is London low, so this should be blue. Let me go back to this. Let's make this one a little thicker so we know that it's make it purple, and we'll space it out some more and make it thinner. Okay, so far yeah, this is all I saw today was this. Where do I think we want to go is the question, right? The question of the day, and I really think that we're gonna want to take out these highs or retap this 4-hour fair value gap because we're about to inverse it. Those are the only two draws I see. Is there a daily chart? I mean, why is my mouse glitching so much? Okay, we already swept. We already swept daily high. Actually, looks like we just did, actually. I think that's what this movement down is. My mouse is freaking glitching. So I really wish this volume profile would work. That would help a lot. Also, we can try this method. Where's the volume profile? There we go. This looks kind of good, to be honest with you. I think I am going to take a trade right here. Long. I'm going to long up to here. It's going to be loud. Like, order filled. Order filled. I think it would be like... Hold on, let me do a reverse Fibonacci down to here. Okay, take profit's gonna be right there. It's gonna be right at that midpoint once we get a tap. Order filled. Let's see if that works. Usually I want to see some rejection though. So this is backtesting technically, but we want to, what you want to see is some 5-minute rejection, to be honest with you. Why did it just teleport? Go back to the 1 minute. Why did it just teleport all the way down here? Okay, hold up. Would that not have just smacked TP if it was like... Hold on, can we like fix it if we like switch time frames a lot? Oh, there we go. Ooh, and a 15-minute inverse fair value gap right here. That looks really good. There's a 15-minute fair value gap right here. I didn't even see that. Oh, we never even put a stop loss, did we? Let's do some quick math. We need 30 points, so we need 25. Oh, wait, we need to subtract 30. 30, so it'll be 44. Down here. Yep, 44. Do we get the 5-minute rejection? We are getting that 5-minute rejection like we want to see. Getting that 5-minute rejection, that's exactly what you want to see. It's exactly what you want to see. Well, we'll see. We'll see if it works or not. Not looking the best, to be honest with you. Not looking the best. But we gotta wait for... Uh-oh. Looks like it's running. That's why you want to see that 5-minute rejection after it closes. Doesn't look so hot. Does not look so hot. You tap in this this low volume node right here. Oh my goodness, perfect close. We had the rejection. Go straight to TP. Go straight to TP. No! Edge of the century? Edge of the century right there? Come on now, man. Come on now, man. Better not edge us again, bro. To be fair, the TP would be, if I had it on Tradeovate, I'm on TradingView, we put it at the bottom of the red. I'm guessing that's where the red would be. I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Do you see that? Bro, we're going to count that as a take profit. I think we count that as a take profit right there. Bro, that was literally randomly placed. Come on now, man. Come on now, man. Okay, I'd probably exit the trade right here because it probably hit the red level. Now it's gonna smack stop loss.
Enjoy that can't miss show with the $300 digital entertainment credit, and travel the world with the $600 hotel credit. For experiences like no other, get the card like no other. There's nothing like Platinum.
filled.
Bang! What did I say? What did I say? We smashed that. 1484. That was a real roller coaster, though. Real roller coaster there, Jim. That was so cringe. Why did I say that? Anyway. Big old W. We're not done trading on the day, though. We're not done trading on the day yet. Look at that. I didn't bottom take it because it came down here to hit that. But big old W in the chat. Everybody spam W's. There's nobody in chat. All right. 1W backtesting. And by the way, I just want to say something that worked with both strategies. The range Fibonacci with the low volume node, or this high and this low, and then you put a box. Well, it would be like right here to here, and bang, that's what I entryed off of right there. Oh, we just swept that high. We're gonna get a 1 minute inverse. Okay, why is it teleporting? What's... Oh, I need a 3 minute time frame as well. Still teleporting. We got a 5 second inverse. 5 second inverse. Parts of spam. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Alright. 5 minute time frame. Let's see if this holds again, you know? Also, what you really could have entered off of was it right here, like this wick. That would have been a perfect entry if you entered on that wick. Whatever you decide to do. We just swept this high though. We'll see where we go. Could have taken a that would have been a terrible trade. Gonna say continuation long higher, but you just swept this high and it's equal. It is equal highs though. Equal highs? Pretty high likelihood. I bet it went to that green level. That was so zesty. My bad. Went to the green level, and it's gonna go right back up to at least to here, or to here. 1 to 2. We are dumping. We are dumping, sir. Sir, we are currently dumping. Currently dumping. Chat, we are currently dumping. We are currently dumping. We are currently dumping. Tap this low volume note right here. This is the 4-hour inverse fair value gap that I was mentioning earlier. We will see how we react off of that. I'm pretty sure there was... Ooh. Oh, we might close inside of it. We might close inside of it. Alert. Wait, alerting. Okay, now it should alert us whenever it's about to close. 1 minute. The woman is so weird. Why is it doing that? Y'all can steal my account now. My demo account that I'm using this. Trading this on if you want to. We tapping that low volume node, and we're getting some rejection. We already took, for that one viewer, we already took a $1,400 W on the forward backtesting. That's what I'm calling this, because it's a replay of today's market that I did not trade and did not look at because I was at school. So yeah. But nothing has happened yet that has got my attention except for this, which we took based off of, this is market open, right here. Then we tapped into the equilibrium of this range right here, and low volume node that was right here, but it's not there anymore. So yeah, basically that's what we took the trade off of, the low volume node and the equilibrium, and we took that to the high. Actually, we didn't take it to the high. We took it to my special level, which is not marked out here on the fib level. I notice that price always, if it retraces, it always goes, it's about like right there. But this fib tool, it only has like a couple options. Well, I'm not even using all the options. Hold up. Then I should probably, what is this? I should probably add it then. We'll add it later. We'll add it later. Here's the 1 minute time frame. Very choppy. Actually, it's like not choppy, but it is choppy because it's staying in this range. 956, about 100 points. Looks like we're about to close this candle. Probably could take it inverse higher because we just inverse this. I wouldn't do that though. I would not do that. And you take the trade right now because I just tapped the lowest part of that low volume node. Just tapped it, and then you would target probably right there. Let's see if that would have hit. We'll target right there, and we'll enter right there. This is going to be buy, and this is going to be take profit right there. We'll make this big so it's obvious. Make it super big. Those are our entries. Oh, we gotta do a stop loss. Stop loss at the low. We'll just do that. I would not normally take this, but it's backtesting. Boom, 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 boom. A little bubble sound is when it's about to close. I actually just discovered that. You saw me on camera do it. Boom, 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 boom. This trade don't look like it would work, if I'm being honest with you. That's why I didn't take it. That's why I didn't take it. All right, we filled in all those fair value gaps. filled in all the fair value gaps, and we closed inside of this and this inverse fair value gap after taking out this low and closing in a low volume node. So we shall see what happens. I have a feeling it's want to come get this this 4-hour inverse fair value gap though. Even though we haven't closed in it yet though. This candle hasn't closed yet, so it's not officially an inverse fair value gap, so take it with a grain of salt. I did not mean to get on the 5-second chart. 3-minute. Stop is at the low. If it hits the low, then that means we would have got stopped out, which is a good thing, because that would mean that we correctly assessed the situation and did not take the trade based on what we saw. So that'd be a good thing. That would actually be a good thing. Looks like it's about to dump. Low key though. I can set a goal. Set follower goal. Hold on. Follower goal is gonna be 2 followers. It's gonna be 2 followers. Set an end date. Today's the 15th. We need to hit 2 followers by 2028. January 31st, we need to hit 2 followers. All right. All right. It should say it in the chat that we have 2 years to hit 2 followers, I think. I don't know. I don't know what just happened. Yo, did we just get a follow? Oh, hold up. We got Official Gambling Academy is now following. That sounds like a great... Oh, and they're banned. Says I cannot go to your page. That's fun. Do not recruit me, please, because I don't gamble. This is some choppy price action, I won't lie. Pretty choppy. Pretty choppy. And how long are we in? What time is it on the... What time is it? You know what? We can speed it up. I forgot we can do that. We can just put out 400% speed. And we don't have to sit here and do nothing. Also, why is this not going away? Oh, we can see it right here. It'd be 9:05. So we've been sitting here for 30 minutes. Ooh, I think our stop loss would have just been hit. It would have. So that's good, because that means that we knew that it would have hit stop loss, and that's why I did not take that trade. So, W risk management. If I do say so myself. W risk management right there. Can we get a can we spam W risk management, please? Wow. Thanks, guys. Thanks for doing that. Boom, boom. Ooh, and the word. Oh, this actually would have been a pretty good trade, low key. Continuation lower. We just edged this. Just tap this little volume node. Continue lower. Maybe not. Also, this should not be here. This stream, or we're gonna try to get 1 comment in the chat. That's our goal. That's our new goal. Besides getting 2 followers, it's getting 1 chat. 1 singular chat. That's not a bot chat. Gotta be a real chat. I gotta make that clarification. I did get a bot chat. That doesn't count. Doesn't count. Low key, we're getting a lot of 5-minute rejection here. This looks like it might push. Looks like it might push. I don't know where it would push to, because everything's already been taken out. Maybe this is a short position right here, I think. Oh no, this is what is this? What even is this? Oh, that's a top 5-minute fair value gap. Alright. Low key, we're gonna go in here with 1 singular micro. Stop the low. And we're going to target this high, which is actually counter trend, by the way. We're trending downward, you see? And we're against this low volume node. That's a pretty bad trade, but I just want to see what will happen. We're going in 1 micro. We can lose like $20, I think, if we hit stop loss. So we're chilling. It's also backtesting, so it doesn't even matter. Oh, ooh, we just took out the high and hit the low volume node. Ooh, that's a big red flag right there. massive red flag. We're consolidating. We're gonna want to sweep out. We're gonna want to manipulate a low or a high. Oh, oh, oh! Manipulate that. Manipulate it. Manipulate it. Manipulate it. You know you want to manipulate it. Oh, gosh, the edging. The edging is it's terrible. Okay. Okay, you just edged us. Okay, I see how it is. Hit stop. Let me guess. Gonna go hit the stop loss. As soon as you edge me like that. Okay. I see how it is, man. It's fine. It's whatever. Just edge me. We didn't even manipulate nothing, man. We didn't even manipulate nothing. Nothing was manipulated. It's accumulation. Oh, wait, whoa. Accumulation. Consolidation. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. And I don't, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's really about to do this to us. Edge us for how many points? 1916, 1918. 2 points. Yeah, we're gonna hit stop loss here. 1000%. 1000%. We closed inside this low volume node. We didn't even manipulate this high. It's technically equal high, so it should be a really high draw. But I think we're gonna come up and we're right here, and we're gonna go. We're gonna shoot straight back down at stop loss. Guarantee it. Calling it right now. Calling right now. See, if I do that, I can't lose. Either I'm correct about the stop loss, or I hit take profit and it's a win. So in both situations, I win. So that's how y'all gotta start trading. Is just tell you say that you want it to hit stop loss, and then say you predict it's gonna hit stop loss, and then if it hits stop loss, your prediction was right. But if it hits TP, then your prediction was wrong, but you hit take profit. This is how y'all gotta start thinking. This is the way. This is the way to start thinking. Is it gonna edge us again? Or is it gonna oh, come on, the equal highs are so tempting. Order filled. With the ad right on cue. Order filled. We made $100 with one singular micro. It's pretty bad. But we're already up 1,500 now. We're up 1,500. We take it. Take the one micro win. We take the one micro win. Okay, so I would not take that trade normally if it was a real trading day, but there was a lot of 5-minute rejection here, and we swept this low, and we tapped into a low volume node. That was really my only confluences. That's why it was one micro, because it wasn't a valid trade. But since this is back testing, I just did it anyway, even though it wasn't valid. But those were the confluences. Not a valid trade though, so don't ever do that. But it did work out in that situation. Because honestly, there was more confluences going the opposite direction. We inversed a whole bunch of fair value gaps right here on the 1 minute. I mean, we have all this. We have all these lows down here. Midnight open, London high, London low. If you have the 4 hour, there's a whole bunch of gaps all the way down here. We're gonna want to fill them lower. We inversed, like I said, we already inversed a bunch of fair value gaps. We came up, tapped this low volume node. Should have continued lower. I mean, there was no reason to take a long. So don't ever take a long. I literally did a tiny trade up to this high because I saw a 5-minute rejection off of a low volume node tap. That's the only reason. And we're chopping. But we should go lower. We We should go lower. Because there's nothing really up here. I mean, we got these highs. That's it. These are equal highs. Dang, look at this. Oh, wait. I already knew about that. This was Trump, I think. Right there. We got equal highs up there. Oh, wait, I gotta get my order out. Now, if we go up higher, I will take a short right here. Once we fill this in, I'll take a short if we come back up. In fact, I'll just do it right now. Ooh, we did not. Okay. There's that dump. There's that dump. We consolidated, then we manipulated this high. Okay. And now we're distributing lower. We're distributing lower. And for some, okay, we didn't take out anything. Oh, I'm gonna take a, oh, we already closed that. Yeah, this is a good time to take a short right here. Put a stop right here. Go back to 5 minute. This is not a valid trade either. What should we target? This low or this low? Or should we target right there? Target right there. Target here. We target right there. Lowest 5 minute fair value gap in this little thingy right there. We just inversed. We're distributing lower. We have yet to take out this low yet. I'll mark it. We might just bounce off this low. I don't know. I have no idea. Showing some good rejection off this low volume node. Time is it? 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. That means my alarm should go off, telling me to go to bed right now. Predicted. Perfectly predicted. Ooh. Oh. Y'all see that movement there? Y'all see that movement right there? Oh, we're getting a lot of 5 minute rejection here. I don't love it. It's gonna don't hit stop loss. Actually, we're gonna use my method. I'm predicting it's gonna hit stop loss right now.
Stop fill.
What did I say? Easy prediction. Okay, I still think we're going lower though. So we're just gonna resell and then put the stop up here instead. And we'll put another sell right there. Check.
Order filled.
Yup. Give me in for 2 minis. 2 micros. Give me in for 2 micros. Hey, you're supposed to be going down. Supposed to be going down. Need you to go down further. Ooh, this don't look good at all. This don't look like a good short at all. Guys, I want to clarify, I would never short after we took out liquidity. I been never short after doing this. But the only valid trade that I would have taken on this whole entire session is this one right here. This first one. That was the only valid one. Other ones are not valid. The other ones are not valid at all. In fact, this one's gonna hit stop loss. I know it is. We just closed above it. We're hitting stop loss for sure. 1,000,000,000% positivity that we're hitting stop loss. In fact, what if we just reverse the position right now? How would y'all feel about that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Going for 5. Once we hit this right here, we take profit and we make back all of our money. It's gonna retrace a little bit and then we're gonna go higher. Calling it right now. Calling it right now. Well, well, well. The black candles are here to strike again, I think. They're back. They want their money. And they're gonna get their money. I think so. I think they're getting their money. This is backtesting, guys. For the one viewer who's watching right now, I think there actually is literally one viewer. Although it says 2, but it always says 1. So I think there's actually just 1. This is not real trades. This is backtesting. You can see I can change the speed. Oh, this is on ×5. I forgot. It is on ×4. That's why it's going so fast. I thought this was the 1 minute chart. That's why it's going so fast. It all makes sense now. I think they are gonna get their money back. I guess we should have held, guys. We should have full ported. We should have full ported shorts right now, I guess. Hold on, I need a stop loss, don't I? Put the stop loss down here. That should be good. That'll be a little lower. Like right here. That should give us enough RR. Go ahead and put this at 5. Go ahead and put our TP there. I think we could have a larger stop loss, actually. Let's put it on here. Maybe a little larger. What do you think the RR on this trade is? I would probably say it's pretty high. It's a pretty high RR trade. Honestly. Easy, we're in profit. Hold on. Since we're in profit, I'm hitting exit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joshing around, guys. I'm just joshing around. It's literally just joshing, bro. Okay, once this hits, it's gonna be over. Stream's gonna be over. Video recap's gonna be over. Cause I'm not really backtesting at this point. Cause it's chopping around. I wouldn't trade the chop, and I would already be out. Cause I would have taken my profit already. So Oh my god.
Order filled.
TP smashed. No way, guys. Our TP was just demolished. Okay. How much we make on that? I don't know, but we're still up 1,400, so it really didn't matter. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you watched this far, I would say the only valuable knowledge you got was this first trade. All the other stuff you can forget about and pretend like it never happened. Other than that, yeah, it was a pretty good backtesting session. Also, don't short after you takes out a low. That's probably a good idea not to do. Or you can do it. It's fine with me. You can be my liquidity. That's fine with me. Hold on. I think we need a full port shorts right now. We're dumping. We're definitely dumping right now. We got full port shorts. Oh, that's too big. We need a full port shorts right now. I think we're about to.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
We need a full port. Hold on. We need a full port shorts. Guys.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Guys, I can tell we're about to dump right now. I can just feel it, you know. Stop at the high. Probably a good idea. Oh no, guys, we're already down 1,000. We're already down 1,000. Okay. We're already down 1,000. I guess we need to manipulate the low and distribute higher. That's what we need to do right now because we're consolidating on the 5-minute. Also, I said the video would be over after that thing, didn't I? What if I just leave it with a cliffhanger? You never know if it hits or not. I think that's what I'm about to do. So, anyway, make sure when you have a winning day, make sure to full port the opposite direction just so it balances out. Other than that, I don't got any more things to say. So, we'll wait until 10:36 and 10:40 because it's going by really fast. It's on ×4 speed. Oh, that one viewer came back. Okay, we're full porting shorts because we almost just smacked TP, but we got edged once more. We just got edged a lot. We took it the high, so we had the full port shorts, right? That's how that works. That's how it works. Any second now, it's gonna obliterate our take profit and we can end stream. Any second now, it's gonna obliterate our take profit. You know what? Let's just like get rid of the stop loss. Any second now. Just hit stop loss or hit take profit, please. Just hit stop loss or take profit, please. Please, so I can end the video, please. Stop filled. Bro, hit the stop loss. Hit the stop loss, please.
Stop filled.
Yes. All right, finally the video's over. We ended the back testing session with negative $1,600. Yes. No, we didn't. We actually ended in profit. But anyway, thank you for watching. And don't ignore all these. Only do the first one. And without further ado, the video's over.